So this is a quick video about overlanding equipment. So this is like a campfire or stove or, kind of a little minor things. And I don't want you to spend a lot of money, but when you go overlanding, you may go to a spot that doesn't have a campfire, designated spot. And to have a campfire, it's required by law that you have to have a fire pit. So this is the one I want to show you right now. I love this idea. This is just a great idea of how to do this. This is a aluminum and stainless steel portable campfire fire pit. And setup is easy. You take this and you go, and let me see, there's that. Take these, slide these on. And once you get those on, bring it in a little bit. Take this stainless steel mesh and you put these on the corners. Now you gotta put this on after, because this bracing is gonna hold up your fire pit. So your logs or everything, your logs that are in here, these sides are gonna hold it up. And I'm gonna show you how strong this is once I get it together. Some of these corners are a little tight, but let me turn it my way so it's easier. Like I said, some of these corners are a little tight, but I think it's gonna break in and get a little looser once you use it a couple times. Pull that tight. You push it all down, and like I said, that's a stainless steel mesh, so you can throw wood right on it and it's not gonna melt or anything. And put your wood here, and now they do sell a grill top for these, but I like this option better because you can buy a designated grill for this, and then if you go to a campsite that does have a fire pit, you now have a grill cover that's kind of useless. This one is stainless steel, and there you go. It'll work on this, it'll work on a fire pit, standard one, it'll work on whatever you need it to. So it's just a separate grill for, fire pits, any kind of fire pit. So I really like that because you can use it here or a regular camp spot. There is one more thing. You can get a shield that goes under here if you don't want to burn the grass, because the heat is going to go down and go down really good. It's going to get really warm down there. It's going to kill your grass. So you can get a shield for that. But, when you're camping 99.99% of the time, you're going to be on the dirt or rocks or something. So you're not going to be killing grass. So that's why I didn't buy one. So that's the campfire pit, and this is a portable stove. Hey buddy. So this portable stove, I love this for two reasons. One, it's very small. It holds a butane fuel on the side, and two, it's safety. It has a lot of safety built into it. And I know these things are cheap, they're like 30-40 bucks tops. They're not too expensive, but they actually have a lot of built-in safety to them. And like I said, small. So think of the other ones where you have a butane tank hooked to the side of it, and you have this thing in your back of your truck or wherever, and your gas knob gets bumped on. Now you have the back of your truck filled up with propane. Hey buddy, there you go. So you get the back of your truck filled up with propane. And this has safety features, so that doesn't happen. This clips on here, and for one, you can't even turn this thing on at all. You can't lock it or anything. You can't turn it on until you flip this over. It has a safety feature here, so you have to have this thing flipped over. So when you're storing it, there's no way you can accidentally, have this thing flipped on, because this thing keeps it from being flipped on, and it won't store in here with this thing up high, so you can't accidentally put it away like that. So that's one safety feature. And two, you lock it and now it automatically engages the tank. So unless this is locked, it's not going to be even engaged. And when you turn it off, it automatically disengages it. So you have, what are you guys doing? So it just has a lot of nice built-in safety features built into it. And that's why I like it. It's small. It, you know, click, turn the butane on. It's on, unhooks. Just a lot of built-in features, you know. They have a lot of campground, you know, propane type things out there. But this one I really, really like because it's safe. I can store it away. I'm not going to accidentally have my propane tank on. Oh, all right. Oh, and I'm back. So I'll just end it with that. So like I said, you put this thing away. It automatically makes it so you can't engage the propane. I'm not going to fill up the back of my truck with propane using this or butane. It's just, I appreciate the safety features. So that's it.